Crypto regulation chaos. Trump dinner, $2.5 billion Bitcoin play, SEC drops Binance suit. Crypto regulation. Trump, U.S Treasury. Journalist, Tanzeel Akhtar. Journalist, Tanzeel Akhtar. About author. Tanzeel Akhtar has been covering the cryptocurrency and blockchain sector since 2015. She has written for the Wall Street Journal, Bloomberg, CoinDesk, Bitcoin Magazine, and Bitcoin.com. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated. May 29, 2025. Why Trust Cryptonews? Cryptonews has covered the cryptocurrency industry topics since 2017, aiming to provide informative insights to our readers. Our journalists and analysts have extensive experience in market analysis and blockchain technologies. We strive to maintain high editorial standards, focusing on factual accuracy and balanced reporting across all areas, from cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects to industry events, products, and technological developments. Our ongoing presence in the industry reflects our commitment to delivering relevant information in the evolving world of digital assets. Read more about Cryptonews. It's been a blockbuster week in U.S. crypto regulation, as power players in Washington and Wall Street grapple with digital assets, cybersecurity, and political influence. From Trump's meme coin dinner to the SEC's stunning reversal on Binance, a new era in crypto regulation may be dawning, and not without controversy. Trump's meme coin dinner sparks transparency backlash. On May 25th, Speaker of the House Mike Johnson dodged pointed questions about a private meme coin dinner hosted by President Donald Trump at his Virginia Golf Club earlier in the week. The event, reportedly attended by top investors in the Trump-themed Trump meme coin, has raised red flags among Democrats, 35 of whom have called on the Department of Justice to investigate possible corruption and foreign influence. In a CNN interview, Johnson claimed ignorance of the May 22nd event and refused to comment on whether the guest list should be released. With crypto now playing a visible role in campaign fundraising and narrative building, critics argue that unchecked intersections between politics and digital assets pose serious ethical questions. Banking lobby pushes back against SEC cyber rule. While political tensions flared, financial institutions were busy behind the scenes. On May 22, U.S. banking heavyweights, including the American Bankers Association, Bank Policy Institute, and SIFMA, petitioned the SEC to withdraw its controversial cybersecurity incident disclosure rule. The regulation, known as Item 1.05 in Form 8K, mandates disclosure of material cyber incidents within 4 business days. However, industry groups warn that this requirement endangers national security, disrupts law enforcement efforts, and causes unnecessary panic. Their message: transparency shouldn't come at the cost of an effective cybersecurity response. David Sachs floats budget-neutral Bitcoin reserve strategy. In a more surprising development, David Sachs, a key White House advisor on crypto and artificial intelligence, proposed that the U.S. could begin acquiring Bitcoin without increasing the national debt. Speaking at the Bitcoin 2025 conference in Las Vegas on May 27th, Sachs hinted that Treasury assets could be reallocated to build a strategic Bitcoin reserve, suggesting a shift toward digital gold without new government spending. This budget-neutral strategy could become a foundational talking point if the next administration, potentially Trump-led, leans further into Bitcoin as a geopolitical hedge. Trump media bets $2.5 billion on Bitcoin Treasury strategy. In tandem with the government's speculative interest in Bitcoin, Trump Media and Technology Group is taking decisive action. The company behind Truth Social announced a private placement offering worth $2.5 billion to amass what could become one of the largest corporate Bitcoin treasuries in history. The funding, split between $1.5 billion in common stock and $1 billion in convertible notes, is expected to close by May 29th. With the president's brand directly tied to both political and crypto narratives, this move solidifies Trump's role as an emerging Bitcoin maximalist, at least in the public eye. Departing CFTC commissioner warns of big swings in oversight. Even as crypto gains institutional favor, regulatory instability looms. Christy Romero, outgoing commissioner of the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, CFTC, issued a cautionary note during her farewell remarks at the Brookings Institution. Romero warned that big swings between aggressive regulation and hands-off deregulation could jeopardize the integrity of U.S. financial markets. While she didn't name names, the remarks are widely seen as a critique of the Trump administration's shifting stance on digital assets and market oversight. Department of Labor reverses 401k crypto ban. Another reversal this week came from the U.S. Department of Labor. On May 28, it rescinded its 2022 guidance that discouraged cryptocurrency in workplace retirement plans. The prior policy had warned plan sponsors to exercise extreme care and triggered investigations into firms offering crypto options. Now, the reversal indicates a more neutral stance on crypto regulation, opening the door for Bitcoin to return as a viable 401k asset, a potentially transformative development for crypto adoption among retail investors. SEC ends lawsuit against Binance, CZ. In perhaps the week's most jaw-dropping twist, the SEC dropped its high-profile lawsuit against Binance and its former CEO Changpeng Zhao. The case, filed in June 2023, accused the exchange of inflating volumes and mishandling customer funds. On May 29, both parties jointly signed a dismissal, bringing an end to a 2-year saga that had cast a shadow over the global exchange. The sudden conclusion leaves observers wondering, is the crypto industry's biggest regulatory battle truly over, or just entering a new phase? This week revealed a U.S. crypto sector at an inflection point. While Trump allies promote digital assets through political events and billion-dollar treasuries, regulators are struggling to keep pace and often stepping back. Follow us on Google News, Trending News, Recommended Popular Crypto Topics Price Predictions. How Tether co-founder William Quigley views crypto regulations in Trump's second term. Trump appoints PayPal veteran David Sachs as White House AI and crypto Zarkatana unsheathes to reshape DeFi. Incubated by GSR and Polygon Labs. Rich Dad Poor Dad author. Bitcoin is the easiest way to get rich. Even 0.01 BTC could be life-changing. Why is crypto down today? May 30, 2025. Price analysis. Is XRP about to explode? Ripple's SEC letter could change everything. 2 days ago, by Harvey Hunter. Bitcoin news. Why is crypto down today? May 29, 2025. 2 days ago, by Seed Fatal Pazik. Bitcoin news. Hyperliquid trader James Wynn exits $1.25 billion long Bitcoin bet at a loss. 6 days ago, by Jai Pratap. Best crypto to buy now in May 2025. Top crypto to invest in. May 6, 2025. By Alan Draper. Best new crypto coins to invest in 2025. Top new cryptocurrencies. May 6, 2025. By Inesis Tavares. 14 best crypto presales to invest in 2025. Full presale list. March 3, 2025. By Alan Draper. 12 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in May 2025. April 13, 2025. By Elijah Rankovich. 14 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. May 5, 2025. By Inesis Tavares. What is the next big crypto to explode in 2025? September 11, 2024. By Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, Price Prediction 2025 to 2030. October 19, 2024. By Leon Waters. Ripple, XRP, Price Prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 28, 2024. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum Price Prediction 2025 to 2030. Will ETH bounce back? August 28, 2024. By Ben Beto.